Hi everyone. Today in grade 8, chapter 1, section 3, I am talking about multiplying and dividing rational numbers. In section 2, we studied about the addition and subtraction. We said we have the same rule for them, which is we need the same denominator for them. But now in multiply and divide, we need something else to do, which is we start from the multiplication at first. At first you have to learn how to multiply two fractions by each other. Then you can learn division, which is on the same way we have. Always in the multiplying two fractions by each other, we have numerator and denominators. Whenever you have something like that, we all know that it is denominator is 1. It's 6 over 1. It also can be make a fraction. So for this one, whenever we have two fractions multiplied by each other, know that we don't have anything between them. Whenever you saw something like that, nothing between them, between the bracket and the number, it means we have multiply. This is multiply. But if it's written like 6 plus 2 over 3, then we know that in this case it's plus addition. But in the other case, when you don't have between the bracket and the number nothing, it means it's multiply. Now let's do that. We said always when you have a number like that, you can make it over 1. Always the denominator is 1 when it's only one number. Then it's very easy to multiply. Always numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply denominator. Now we multiply 6 by 2 on the numerator, 1 by 3 in the denominator, and always at the end, in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, in all of them, we need to simplify if it's possible to be done. Can be divided by 3, can be divided by 3, so the result equals 4 over 1. 4 over 1, the same thing as this one, equals 4. Anything over 1 we can write as itself, or anything if you need it like that to make it a fraction, you can say over 1. Then after that we have another fraction in here, which is 2 over 5 multiplied by negative 1 over 4. Always in multiply, numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply denominator. The result equals positive 3 multiply negative 1, negative 3. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. Can it be simplified more? Divide by 2. No, this one cannot be divided. Divide by 3. No, this one cannot be divided. Divide by 5. This one cannot be divided, so by none of them we cannot divide. So this is the simplest form. This is the final answer. And then one more thing that we have, it's in this case when it's in the mixed number. Mixed number are mixed fraction, or we can say we have a number and a fraction, 3 and 2 over 4. It's not like a simple fraction like the others, it's a mixed number. So for these mixed numbers we can change it to fraction at first, a simple fraction. Always this number multiply this one, then plus the numerator. Write the first one as itself, 2 over 7 in the bracket, 3 multiply 4, 12, 12 plus 2, this is the numerator, we write in the numerator, multiply, plus in the numerator, and the denominator as itself we write. Now how much do we have? 2 multiply 14, 7 multiply 4. 2 multiply 14, 28. 7 multiply 4, the same, 28. 28 over 28, any number over itself 28 over 28, 20 over 20, 5 over 5. Always the result equals 1. Directly you can say divide by 28, divide by 28. The same thing, when you have the same number over each other, the result equals 1. This is the final result for this one as well. Now that's all about multiplication. Sorry. We did about multiply, if it's in this case or this one or this one. Now we do something about divide. Let's solve an example about divide. How we do? If you know the multiplication very well, you won't have any problem in the divide. Let's see, let's write an example about that. An example for division. Let's say 5 over 8 divide by 3 over, let's say 4. In this case, in the division, now we know about multiply. If you know about multiply, always divide, we will change to multiply. How we do? Always the first one as itself. The first fraction as itself you write. Change to multiply. And we reverse the second one. It's 3 over 4, we will make it 4 over 3. Keep the same, change to multiply, reverse. Now it's a multiplication question. Always you can use it this way to change division into multiplication, which is easier to solve then. Numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply denominator. Then 5 multiply 4 over 8 multiply 3. In this case, we can simplify more. Divide by 2, divide by 2 equals 10 over 12. Again, can be simplified more. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 5 over 6. Cannot be divided more, so this is the simplest form for this division. 5 over 8 divided by 3 over 4 equals 5 over 6. Keep in your mind, the first one you keep the same, you change to multiply, you reverse the second one. And always in the multiply, numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply denominator. At the end, if you can simplify, you do the simplify as much as you can, then this would be the final answer. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.